lightning fast, perfectly engineered, and brutally efficient. The Dragonfly looks like a tiny, living helicopter built by evolution itself. It accelerates, hovers, and kills with surgical precision. Today, we're diving deep to reveal the secrets of the Dragonfly, nature's weirdest jet engine, and its most effective mechanical weapon. Meet the Hunter. Dragonflies are ancient, having patrolled the skies in one form or another for over 300 million years. Today's species are smaller than their prehistoric ancestors, but their bodies conceal a mind-blowing combination of biomechanics and sensors that make them one of the planet's most successful aerial predators. Think of them as a high-speed fighter jet, packed into the body of an insect. So, what makes dragonfly flight so extraordinary? It's all about how they generate thrust and control. Unlike many insects that synchronize their wings, dragonflies have a superpower. They can independently control all four of their wings. This allows for sudden bursts of acceleration, sideways strafing maneuvers, true, motionless hovering, and even instant reversal of direction. Imagine a drone that could do all that flawlessly. Their wing muscles are tuned for immense power and split-second responses. Aerodynamically, the dragonfly is a genius. It creates tiny vortices, little whirlpools of air, at its wing edges. These act like lift boosters, much like how modern aircraft use controlled airflow for extra lift. The result is a living jet that can chase down prey with accelerations and maneuvers that few animals on Earth can even hope to match. But speed alone doesn't make a top predator. You need a weapon, and the dragonfly brings a lethal toolkit to every hunt. First, its raptorial legs. They're spiny and perfectly arranged to form a basket right under its body, ready to snatch unsuspecting insects right out of the air. Then, its powerful mandibles. These are like shearing jaws that can tear through flesh and crush tough exoskeletons in an instant. It's so efficient that it often begins consuming its prey immediately, while still on the wing. During a strike, the dragonfly times its wing beats to stabilize its body perfectly, extends that deadly leg basket, and scoops up its prey with millimeter precision. It's a mechanical grab-and-crush maneuver executed in mere fractions of a second. Perhaps the most remarkable system of all is its vision. Dragonflies have massive compound eyes with up to 30,000 individual facets, giving them an almost complete 360-degree field of view. They can detect motion, estimate distance, and track multiple targets simultaneously. In their tiny brains, neural circuits compute interception courses in real time. They are essentially solving advanced pursuit algorithms that took humans centuries to figure out and write down. The eye, the flight system, and the legs aren't separate parts. They are one perfectly integrated killing machine. Dragonflies are smart hunters and use several strategies to secure a meal. There's perch hunting, where they wait patiently on a reed or branch and then dart out to intercept passing prey. There's patrol hunting, where they fly set routes along the edges of ponds and streams, ready to ambush anything that moves. And then there's the high-speed aerial pursuit, using that incredible predictive targeting we just talked about. And what are they hunting? Mostly mosquitoes, midges, and other flying pests, which makes them fantastic ecological allies to us humans. Some larger species will even take on small butterflies or their own cousins, the damselflies. Their phenomenal success rate, often over 95%, hinges on timing, maneuverability, and that near-perfect sensory integration. It's no surprise that engineers study dragonflies for inspiration. Their independent wing control is influencing the design of micro-air vehicles, or MAVs, and drones that require extreme stability and agility in tight spaces. Their visual tracking algorithms are informing the next generation of robotics and computer vision. The dragonfly is both a marvel of evolutionary engineering and a living blueprint for future human technology. But dragonflies don't just dominate the sky. Their life actually begins underwater. As nymphs or naiads, they are voracious ambush predators, living for months or even years at the bottom of ponds and streams. They control mosquito populations at 2 different life stages, making them absolutely vital for the health of our wetlands. Unfortunately, these incredible creatures are facing threats. Habitat loss, water pollution, and the draining of wetlands are putting many dragonfly species at risk. By protecting our ponds, marshes, and clean waterways, we are also protecting these tiny, magnificent aerial warriors. The dragonfly is living proof that evolution can build machines of astonishing complexity. It's a natural jet engine, a mechanical weapon, and a sensory supercomputer all rolled into one. So the next time you see one hovering gracefully over a pond, take a moment to appreciate what you're really watching. A living fighter jet, performing feats of engineering perfected over millions of years. Which part of the dragonfly fascinates you the most? Is it the 4-winged flight system, the supercomputer vision, or those deadly grappling legs? Let me know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this deep dive into nature's strangest inventions, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.